Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. We've got a 2005 Hyundai Accent, no start. So we're going to do a diagnostic of this. Customer stated the vehicle was driving, parked to go to work, came back out, no start. So this is what we got. She spins over, but does not fire up. So first thing I did, hooked up a new scanner. Gonna be making a video of this. New scanner. So we got a crankshaft position sensor circuit A. So typically with something along this line, it's usually a crankshaft sensor. But here's how we will figure that out. What we'll do is we'll go into the computer itself, and we're going to find the crank sensor. This will tell me whether or not it is counting or not, and we have a wire problem or a sensor problem. If it's not counting, 9 times out of 10 it's a sensor problem itself. Sorry about the dinging, I'll edit that out. Alright, so we'll find crank sensor. So got cranking signal, and engine speed is going to be the other one that you want. Cranking signal, at least it is on this one. It doesn't actually have a crank sensor itself. So the engine speed is based off of the crank sensor. So what that does is it shows what the engine speed as the engine spins over and is running. So that crank sensor uses that. All right, so I'm going to spin it over, and you're going to see nothing showing up on there. No RPM. So that is a bad crank sensor. I've already gone out and taken a look at the actual sensor itself. Show you where it's at. Actually get to it from the top. You don't need to do anything from underneath, although you can, but all right, so right here, this little connector right here, that one is our crank sensor. Now you won't be able to see it, but you can follow this wire down, and I'm putting my finger right on the 10mm bolt. It's really easy to get to. You can get down here with a socket. I use a power ratchet with a 10 on there, zip it out, pull it out, and then disconnect it from right here. This is going to be one of those push spring-loaded connectors. Push that in, pull this out, and that's done. I like those connectors. Those don't give much problems at all. I wish all cars would have that, but pretty sure they're kind of expensive. This does have a timing belt. If it was a timing belt related issue, I would normally get a cam sensor code. Cam sensor is up here. Same type of connector. Push a little metal tab in, and then the sensor itself comes off. So I'm gonna write this up. Gonna look over the vehicle. Meh. Nasty transmission fluid. I need some of that done. But that's just a maintenance item. Maintenance items are not as important as having the car run itself. So this filter's gonna be pretty good, which is pretty new. I get a damn finger in there. Jeez. Yeah, good filter. So I'm going to write this up for the customer so that he gets a estimate for a crank sensor. And it's just one of the easiest ways of determining what's the problem with your car. If you plan to do something like this for yourself, please do not disconnect the battery just to start. When you do so, you erase all the data that's in the computer. Some of the newer cars have the non-volatile RAM, which will hold it. A lot of BMWs hold it, a lot of Mercedes hold it. Some of the newer Chryslers with the Dart, with the G-Pack motors, they hold it. sorry, Jeep-back computers, they hold it, but older cars, they do not. You disconnect that battery, boom, all the data's gone. Then the technician has to figure this out the old-fashioned way. It's just more work. Plus, that's a definitive confirmation that you got a crank sensor problem, because you can go in with a scanner and it doesn't read. It's a Hall effect sensor. So tone ring goes around and it's like Morse code. Dot, 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 dot. It just tells where the engine's at, and it's 360-degree rotation. So when it can't determine that, it usually doesn't send out the signal to the coil. Coil then doesn't fire the plugs. Car doesn't start. Yada, yada, yada. But that is a quick little overview of this no-start vehicle. Any questions or comments? Please feel free to let me know.